Oh my gosh, guys, today we're going to be unenveloping this order that I got from Pixyls.ca. I will have all their information linked below, but basically, TLDR, their founder, Rachel, messaged me on Instagram and she was like, "Do you want to try like my new company? Blah, blah, blah." And I was like, "What is it?" And I went to the website and I was like, "Oh gosh, yes." So this was sent to me to share with you guys and unbox with you guys, and it is a proud Canadian company. I believe they are from Toronto, or she is from Toronto. It came to me like this. It's a very small envelope, and you're like, "What's in there? Let's take a look." Before I open this up and show you what's inside, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting and sometimes other related crafts whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. I'm very excited. Let's see. Okay, so we have a thank you. Oh, let's hide this. Hide this. So we have a thank you. Welcome to the Pixyls family. I hope you really enjoy pixeling, and if you have any feedback, please let me know. So it's called, is that what it's called? It's called pixeling. Pixeling. It's very, very similar to diamond painting. I'm very excited to see this. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, we have, oh my goodness. I'm trying to hide what the actual product is, okay? So here's where you can find Pixyls. Again, I will have this information in the description box below. There's their business card. We have a little sloth sticker. Oh, so cute. And then there's more in here. There's more. I felt more stickers. Okay, I think that's it. And then we have a very festive hot chocolate. And then we have very pointy, very stabby, pointy tweezers. And they do come with this protective sheath. sheath. You have the option of adding these as diamond painters. I'm sure that everyone has these types of tweezers. So if you don't want to add these to your kit, you don't have to. And then here's the actual product. Oh my goodness, guys. And this is very, very similar to diamond painting, except you're going to be using a vinyl. So vinyl pixel art craft kit recommended. Begin in the bottom left corner of the grid canvas with the applicator, which are the tweezers. Peel a pixel from the sheet, place the pixel in the correct grid shape, nudge into place, continue placing pixels next to each other. And that's really cool. And then there's also a tutorial on their website, so if you're not sure how to do it, I'm pretty sure it's straightforward, but we'll look. And I guess this one measures 4 inches by 4 inches, and it's called Cotton Clouds. So this is the one I chose. If you go to the website, there's a whole bunch of different kits that you can choose from, even bookmarks, which is really cool. Just to give you a little bit of background information, Rachel is the founder from Toronto. She's a repetitive crafting lover. She's also a diamond painter. She wanted a way to create designs that she loved in a way that could be used more easily in her home as art, and she found diamond painting wasn't as easy. And I would agree, like, you basically like have to get your diamond painting framed, and it takes up a lot of real estate on your walls. So this is very cool. And because Pixyls are stickers, there's a large range of opportunities and products, and there's more art pieces and bookmarks and much more coming soon to the website. Okay, so here we have our canvas. Oh my goodness, guys. So it's just numbered. I can kind of faintly see an outline of clouds. Like it's white and gray. So the canvas is white and gray, and I'm hoping this comes through on the screen. And then there's little numbers, which are like the symbols within each cloud. This is printed really nicely, this canvas. I don't know what this is, but it's very nice. Okay. So I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of nervous because these squares are very small. Okay, so here we have our Pixyls. Wow. Okay, so for this kit, there's going to be 14 different colors, and each pixel is perforated, or like perforated. I don't know what you would call it. So you can see, you can kind of see that they're pre-cut, just like labels, I guess. And I see that like it's all in, like, this whole thing is gridded out, right? So here, if you guys can see this, oh my goodness, where are those tweezers? So this is a row, and you can see that this row is half white, half dark blue. So I'm guessing that I'm not going to use that row, and I'm guessing that I just use the full colored ones, and ideally there should be enough of the full colored ones to fill in this pixel, this canvas. And then, oh, we have more. Okay, wait. So it's not, I lied. It's not 14 colors. It's actually 45 colors. I had to double check. Yes, so it's 45 colors, right? Okay, no more than that. Okay, yes, 45 different colors. So here, these are what the drills are, I guess, but they're little stickers. So those are our drills. And the numbers 0 to 45 are the symbols. Okay, so I'm like, okay, do I just end it here? No, let's try it, people. Let's try it. So we're gonna put, this is the finished image. We're gonna zoom down a bit. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, how should we work on it? She said, begin in the bottom left corner of the grid canvas. So we're gonna start down here, and the first number I see is 3. And I wonder, okay, so why do we start in the bottom left? That is the question that I have, but we'll start where they recommend that. These are real, okay, so first of all, these are nicely manufactured, however she does it, if she does it at home, like this is really cool. So we'll put down number 3, which is this dark gray. And you will need pointy tweezers. So if you don't have pointy tweezers, I would recommend adding them to your order. I don't think that they were very costly. Okay, so I put down 3. But so, okay, so if I start here, does that mean I can go through and fill in all the 3s in the canvas? Like, should I just move on to 12 or 0, that type of thing? I'm going to do it my way, okay? I'm a rebel. Let's do it my way. I'm going to fill in, oh my God. Okay. This is actually like, this requires some concentration, but I'm pretty sure like once I start doing it and get the hang of it, it will be fine. And I'm guessing that there are extra pixels. Like I'm guessing that they didn't just include exactly as many as you need. Because I already screwed up. Okay, as you can see, I have placed 1, 2, and 3. This is really cool. This feels very nice. It's like laminated, and these are just like really, I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but they're really shiny, which I really like. I'm guessing it's kind of like diamond painting where you can just go off and go do your own thing. And I like that I don't have to fuss with like wax or like peeling the canvas up and worrying about like not getting this on the canvas because maybe this paper will stick to it and ruin it. And this feels like it's very easy. Like if I was on the plane, if I was traveling, like this feels like it would be very easy to bring with me. The only thing I would worry about is at security with bringing stabby tweezers. But like if you go camping or like just need like a little travel project, you don't need very much. Like I literally could see myself doing this on the plane. And then you can nudge it. Okay. So if you screw up when you put down, I was going to say a drill, when you put down a square, you can use the side of the tweezers and just like move it around. So that's helpful. I'm going to place more. Oh no. Okay. I got too happy with the tweezers and accidentally knocked some pixels loose. Okay. So, oops. This is, okay. So these are like, see how I was talking about like, hold on. How I was talking about like a square being half a color. I'm guessing that you don't use these and these are just like instead of like actually printing specifically in the squares, it's just a block of print. So I'm guessing these are just like what you would call like trash drills, but just like trash pixels. Okay. So far I'm digging it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Because like, I didn't really know what to expect. Like, I knew that the kits, like, from the website, you can tell, and I don't know if the sizing is on the website. It probably is. Um, so I knew that, like, the pixel project size would be pretty small, but I was not expecting, like, the pixel field to look so similar to a diamond painting, like a mystery diamond painting, if you want to call it that. I was not expecting that at all. But this is legit, like, pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really love just, like, I love diamond painting. I love cross stitch. I love just, like, crafts where you're just filling in something. I find it so satisfying. I'm bad at paint by numbers, by the way. So I'm not gonna say I love paint by numbers because I'm terrible at it. Maybe if I did paint by numbers with a marker. But let me know down below, like, is this craft for you? What do you guys think? Oh, another thing to mention that she told me is their kits have a lot of colors. So, like, take cotton clouds, for example. Like, looking at this, you'd be like, there's probably like 10 colors. That's what I thought. But, like, literally, there's 45 different colors. So, there's going to be some detail in this image, which is awesome. And even their small bookmarks on the website have 55 plus colors. And also, they donate 10% of earnings to PCOS and mental health organizations within Canada. And those are their key causes, she said, personally and as a company. And there's going to be more happening on the Pixyls website, like more designs, more stuff coming. And this kit, even though I didn't pay for it, like, she sent this to me to share with you guys. This kit, it was only $20 Canadian. And I think it's probably around, I don't even know, like $15 USD, maybe even less because of Canadian US conversion rate. So, like, if you want to give this a try, I say go for it. Like, even just like laying down however like 10, 15 of these pixels, like, that's pretty relaxing. Like, it's very, very similar to diamond painting. They have this amethyst sunset bookmark on the website that I really, really like. It's very beautiful. And the bookmark itself has 59 colors. Seriously. And make sure if you are going to get one of these kits, I highly recommend getting pointy tweezers if you don't have any, which I'm sure everyone has. And it came again in this very sturdy cardboard envelope. And here is the information again for this kit. And here is her contact information. All the links are in the description box below if you want to check it out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave if you haven't subscribed already. I post new videos about diamond painting and sometimes other crafts like Pixyls. So make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Let me know what you guys think of Pixyls. I'm very excited about this, and I'm excited it's a Canadian women-owned company, which is really cool. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!